Alright, David Harry here, and in this video I'm going to do a simple unboxing of a Rode Lavalier GO. And what I'm going to do first of all is just give you a little run around the box just to see if there's any pertinent information we need to pick up on before we get inside it. But the first thing is, look at this, the way that the GO and the Rode dot here kind of reflecting gold. It's really cool, so when I catch the light on that looks ace. Now, obviously, that's no mark of how good a microphone sounds or anything like that. Got nothing to do with the audio capabilities. But from the point of view of packaging, which I've got to be honest, is not something that I'm usually bothered about, that looks really tasty. So even to a Luddite like me, as far as packaging and marketing is concerned, yeah, I'm very impressed with that. Obviously, you've got the picture of the microphone there and obviously the name and stuff. So what I'm going to do now is just whiz around the box. So on this side of the box, we've got three pictures. One is saying TRS connection, the other one says broadcast quality, and then the third one at the bottom says wireless GO compatible. Now the TRS connection thing, I'll explain all about that once I get into the box. And as far as the wireless GO compatibility is concerned, I'm going to actually do something with this microphone and the wireless GO, or at least a couple of things to be honest with them. So that is also going to be a bit of a deal. And on the other side of the box, we've simply just got the name of the microphone repeated again, and also the Rode logo and such. And on the rear of the box, we've got some more information. Now, if you'd like, just pause the video and you can kind of read this at your own leisure. But there's also some pictures at the bottom showing what's in the box, which is the Lavalier GO microphone itself, the pop shield, the lav clip and the pouch. And finally, underneath here we have a little badge or mark underneath, which I am fairly sure is going to be a massive source of pride to everyone at Rode, and that is Australian made and owned. Okay, so now let's get into the box and see what it's all about. Okay, so I'll just whiz all the top off here. We just get into here and it looks like everything's inside the pouch. So let me get the box out the way. So there's the pouch that comes with everything in it by the looks of it. And also this pouch is just a little carrying pouch as well for when you're out and about with your microphone. So I'm just going to tip everything out onto the table here. Okay, so let's see, that's everything out of the box. Okay, or out of the pouch. Let me just get rid of that. Okay, so we know what the pouch is and what it's for, so I'll just put that to one side. So let's see, actually we'll get to the mic lastly. Now, there's a Velcro strap here, which is pretty cool. So that's going to come in handy for strapping the cable onto stuff, I would imagine, as well. So you can actually use this actually to tie the cable down, maybe even to like a belt loop or something like that, if you're using it in conjunction with the wireless GO and stuff, or anywhere where you feel that you want to kind of like strap it into with the, you know, with this little Velcro strap. You can also probably use this for other things as well, to be honest. So Velcro strap done. And then what we've got here is the mic clip. Now you'll have to excuse the camera, it might go off its head a little bit with trying to hunt for focus, but see if I can get this in here. So there's the mic clip, as we can see, and it's got a nice little Rode logo on the front. Okie dokie, so let's get that out the way. Now let's get to the business end of all this, which is the microphone itself. And I'll explain also what this TRS thing is all about here. Okay, now there's a strangulation hazard there, so if anyone kind of needs to know what that's all about, then, you know, have a quick read at that. But I don't intend on strangling anyone with this microphone, or at least that's not the first thing that comes to mind, but who knows, it might come in handy for something else. Right, so what I'm going to do here is just whiz off the little thing there. Alrighty, so I've got that off there. I'm just having a look. Now that's probably about just over a meter, just over 3 feet long, something like that. So I'm just going to go a bit closer here with these things. Now what it is, the microphone itself is actually already got the foam filter built onto it. So let me just pull the foam filter off. Okay, give us a second. So there we go. So there's the foam filter on its own. And then there is the actual microphone. So this is basically a very miniature mic. It actually falls in line with the same design as most of other Rode's Lavaliers as well. So as you can see with this one, it's actually really, really slim and very small. So this is actually going to be really good for concealing as well. So I'm going to be doing more videos about these things as well to do with the mic, and also using it concealed and whatnot. So then also let's get to the other end here. So this is a TRS connection, which basically means tip, ring and sleeve. So you've got like one bit of metal there, you've got a black band which is like an isolator or separator, another bit of metal, another black band separator, then another bit of metal. So that's the tip, the ring and the sleeve. That's what that means. Now basically what I can tell you for sure with this is, because I've already used one, and the tip and the ring are normalized, which basically means that whatever the live signal is that's coming via the microphone capsule actually goes to both the tip and the ring in this case. So you will record on both channels of a camera and stuff like that wherever you plug it into something that's got 2-channel input or a stereo input. Okay, so I'm just going to finish off here with just a quick shot of everything all like laid out on the table. Okay, so as you can see there's all the parts on the table. So this will give you a very good idea of exactly everything that comes within the box of a Rode Lavalier GO. Now, if you're interested in such things, you may want to call back to my channel over the next few weeks, because I will be doing a fair few different videos to do with the Lavalier GO, the wireless GO, and also something else that I've got to unbox from Rode as well. So keep an eye out for my next unboxing. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and all that stuff. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.